Good evening, and welcome to another episode of Maths in an Empty Classroom with me, Mr. Southern. This is part one of the lesson on simplifying algebraic fractions. A lot of this topic is recap from GCSE, but it's just worth revisiting, refreshing and making sure that we can spot the things that come up regularly in the A-level. So here I have, just to start off with, simplify the fraction x squared minus 4 over x squared plus x minus 6. And what we need to do is to factorise the numerator and the denominator and look for any terms that will cancel to make a simpler fraction. And this numerator here, x squared minus 4, this is absolute classic in A-level. You need to get really good at spotting these. It's difference of two squares. So x squared minus 4 factorises to x plus 2, x minus 2. And then on the denominator, we're factorising x squared plus x minus 6, which goes to x plus 3, x minus 2. And what we expected to happen has happened, in that we've ended up with a repeated term on the numerator and the denominator, a common term I should say. And whatever value of x it took here, you would be able to cancel those two terms because they would be the same value, they would be the same number, and therefore the simplified version of that fraction is x plus 2 over x plus 3. Join me in part 2 where we just crank up the difficulty a little bit.